Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And get one of these at a low cost. Pass free shipping. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Now this is coming from AmazerBath. This is a bamboo, foldable, squatting stool for your bathroom, toilet. So definitely really cool. Great wood. This long-lasting wood. This is the premium stuff right here, guys. Not like the others, imitation ones you see. This is a real deal. So right here, you just gotta go boom, boom, and then we're gonna go into the bathroom. That's how it looks. Really nice. Well made. And then if you want to fold it again, oops, there's a couple side ones. You just got to push this button in. Where did it go? Shoot. Other side. There we go. There's some side buttons right here. The silver button. Gotta click it. Come on. Hold on. Right here, you just gotta squeeze in, push. You can hear it click and fold down. Same with this side. It's kind of hard to do it. There we go. Boom. Alright, bathroom time. Alright guys, here it is. Line it up with your bathroom. I'm a bigger guy, so I gotta my legs are longer, so I gotta spread it more. So hold on one sec. So there you go. That's how it's set up. Depends on how your bathroom is set up, your toilet. So all you gotta do is put it underneath, like I showed, and then there you go. Just sit like this and just handle your business. So definitely check them out, guys. AmazerBath. Link is gonna be down below. You guys be safe. Have a good day.